Hey everyone, in this video I'm sharing 6 different websites where Africans can earn money online within 24 hours through PayPal. So the first website is called Feature Points. It's also an app that is available on Android and iOS, but I know most Africans use Android and it is available. As you can see on the website, it says that you earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys and more. If you don't want to download the app, you can just sign up or log in, and if you do want to download the app, then you can just go to the Play Store and you'll find it there. As you can see, they have paid millions of dollars to their users as a reward. They will ask you simple surveys like here: do you own a dog? What car do you drive? Do you own any game consoles? And by sharing your opinions, you're going to get paid. Another way you are going to get paid is by downloading apps and trying them for a few minutes, and you will get credited, and through those points you are going to get paid. And when you share with your friends, you are going to get 10% every time your friend earns point for life. The second place is an app called citizenme.com. On this app you can earn money through surveys, and this app is known for its safety when it comes to data protection. So don't worry about your data. It's going to be protected and it's going to be kept safely with citizenme.com. On this app you are going to be asked some questions, some very detailed surveys that can take up to 20 minutes, and they will pay you for it, so you don't have to worry about that too. You're not going to earn a lot of money, but since it is free, they will pay you daily. The third website is called playtestcloud.com. This platform allows you to earn money by testing mobile games, helping developers improve their product. As you can see here, you need to complete 3 easy steps before you become a playtester. The first step is submit the sign-up form. If you are eligible, they will send you qualification test. The second step is to complete the qualification test, and it is unpaid. And the third test is to qualify, and they will invite you to playtest where you can earn money. So here it says, how do I become a playtester? And it shows you that you need to sign up. You'll get a short unpaid qualification test which shows you how to become a tester, and then you'll start earning money. Another question here is, how much money will I make? And it says that you can earn $9 for a 15-minute playtest, but the reward payment for each playtest can vary depending on the task required during the playtest and the length of the playtest itself. Another question is, what language should I speak? The answer is, please speak in English. You have to know English if you want to become a playtester. And there are other questions like, can I playtest with my kids? And it says yes, you can. Also, can I sign up if I'm not a hardcore gamer? And it also says yes, you can. Next up we have im.com. On this platform you are going to sell your stock images and earn money. You can earn anywhere from $20 to $200, and it is very simple. All you need to do is make AI photos from, for example, Leonardo.ai, and then sell it here. It says that make money every time you sell. AI image can sell again and again to multiple clients. Always keep your copyright so you can choose which images to sell and which ones to retain your copyright. And lastly, you can also sell with Getty images. The last website is called TryMatter. It was formerly known as Try My UI, and on this platform users are paid anywhere from $5 to $30 per test, and the tests are typically anywhere from 10 minutes to 20 minutes. So payments are made daily and they are through PayPal. And I forgot to add that all of these websites that I mentioned, they are all paid through PayPal and they're also paid daily. On this website, TryMatter, it has 360 website testing tools, and you can do website and app user experience testing, website and app user interface testing, and unified user testing. So you can do all of those. So those are the 5 websites that you can earn money as an African and get paid daily through PayPal. If you are interested in more content like this, please like the video and comment with any question and suggestions for future topics. Thanks for watching.